Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel, uniquestudy.com. Today we are going to discuss the book exercise of chapter 3 pronoun, and it is the class 7th, and book's name is Cornerstone. Okay, so look, here is the chapter 3 pronoun, and I have made the video of this chapter in a two parts. So go to the channel icon and watch out the playlist and search the video. Okay, so let's start the video and try to solve the book exercise of this chapter. So chapter name is pronoun, and now look at the uh, page number 23. Okay, so here is the first exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the pronouns that refer to the highlighted word or group of words. Okay, so you have to see here is the statement, and first you read out the statement and then write the proper pronoun that is the need of the blanks. So let's start. The man left behind two jackets. Where are dash question mark. So in this blanks you have to write down they. Okay, they, the word will be they in the blanks. And second is Mr. Shahid is my teacher dash teaches us geography. So here is the word Mr. Shahid, and we can use the pronoun word in place of the Shahid like a he. Okay, so in the blanks you have to write down he, and the sentence will be Mr. Shahid is my teacher, he teaches us geography, and the sentence will be correct. Okay, now third is the kittens, you can see here the word the kittens are playing in the sun dash are 3 months old. So you can see here is the use are, and so here and in the blanks you have to fill with the pronouns word. So pronoun word will in the blanks, like here is the plural form, so we have to use plural form word of the pronoun, and the word will be they. Okay, you have to fill they pronoun in the blanks. That's clear. Now fourth is Mr. Layer, how are dash feeling this morning. So you know very well that here is the addressing word and it is the noun word, and if you tell something about the person who stand before you, then you the person will be the second. Okay, so here is the asking a question a person, so you have to write down here you. Okay, you always ask the question that a person who stand before you, the if the person is before you, the person will be second, and in the second person pronoun will be you. Okay, now next is i will I will meet you at the station. Okay, at the station dash we can discuss the matters there. So you have to see here the I and you, it means two person, so and both are the person standing near, so you have to use plural form as a first person, and the word will be we. Okay, we pronoun word will fill in the blanks. Okay, we can discuss the matter there. Now next is children please help to the samosas and cakes. So here is someone requested to the person that they will take, please help herself himself, you have to write down him himself. Okay, in the 6 you have to fill the word himself and the sentence will complete. Now option number 7, here is your x, and it is the non-living things, and if the pronoun is non-living things and we have to use the pronoun word, then it will be it. Okay, we use it with the non-living things. So you have to fill the word blanks with the pronoun word it. Okay, it carefully. Now option number 8, Mr. Arora is our accountant you could consult. Okay, so Arora is the person and it is the third person, so you have to write down him for the Arora. Why? Because it is the third person, we are talking about the person. Okay, so now exercise number B, tick the correct option and mark whether the pronouns you have to choose in a reflexive pronoun. Okay, if the word is reflexive or sentence is reflexive, then you have to write RP, and if the sentence is emphasizing, then you will write down EP. Okay, so first is Seema himself, herself, yourself locked the door. So you know very well that Seema is the girl. It means it is the female person, and we have to use pronoun word as a herself. So you have to tick herself, and in the blanks you have to write down ep. Why? Because it is the emphasizing pronoun. Okay, and it is a very easy tip to identify of the emphasizing pronoun. It start after the subject. Okay, and in the second, did you do the homework yourself? You have to see here the subject you, so pronoun word will be yourself. Okay, and you have to write down rp. RP means reflexive pronoun. Okay, and third is I, yourself, myself, themselves made the reservations. Okay, so you have to fill the word I. Here the subject I, and with the I you have to fill myself. Okay, you have to fill myself, and it will be emphasizing. It means EP. Okay, and fourth is I cut my hair, our selvage, my selvage, them selvage. So you have to see here subject is I, so you have to fill myself, and the sentence it means pronoun will be RP. It means reflexive pronoun. Okay, RP. Now fifth option, she looked at itself, herself, themselves in the mirror. So here is the subject she, and you have to use the pronouns word with the subjective. It will be himself, and it is the what kind of the pronouns? It is the reflexive pronoun. So you have to write down RP. Okay, and in the sixth, you expresses himself, herself, yourself very well. So you have to see here is the subject you, and with you have to use yourself. Okay, and the what kind of the pronoun it will be the reflexive pronoun. Okay, so you have to write down RP. That's clear. Now look the next option, option number 7, they themselves, ourselves, yourselves. Okay, so you have to see there is the subject they, and with the they you have to fill the word themselves. Okay, and the pronoun, when you talking about the pronoun is the emphasizing pronoun, so you have to write down EP. Okay, and the option number 8, Ria doesn't care about anyone, and she only think about himself, herself, and themselves. So you have to think. Look here, the word is Ria, and it is the noun word, and in place of noun you have to use she, and if its possessive will be the reflexive, and emphasizing will be herself. Okay, so you have to take herself, and the pronoun is a RP. It means reflexive pronoun. That's clear. Now next exercise number C. There are error in the sentences. Rewrite the sentence. Okay, so first you read about all the statements that given in your books and search out the error and improve it. It means rewrite the sentence with the correct words. So first sentence is they blamed themselves. So you have to write down in place of themselves. You have to write down themselves. Them. It is M. Okay. They salvage. That's clear. Themselves. You write down complete sentence. Just like that. Blamed. They blamed themselves. Okay. And the neither word is themselves. Clear. And in the second, I am shorter than you, so I think here is the shorter word is not proper word that used in this sentence. So you have to write down younger in place of shorter. Younger. Okay. Spelling of younger. Younger. Okay, younger. That's clear. Now third is which is the news that you bring. So in place of which you have to write down what. Okay, and the sentence will be what is the news that you bring. That's clear. Now option number 7, it was him who should have protested. So you have to write down in place of him as a he. Okay, it was he. Okay, remove the him and in place of him you have to write the noun word he, and the sentence will be it was he who should have protested. That's clear. Now next is I and Ram have been chosen to lead the team. So you have to fill it here. uh, in place of I, first you write down he, oh sorry, Ram and I. Okay, Ram and I have been chosen to lead the team. Okay, that's clear. You have to prove the word I and Ram. In place of I you have to write down Ram, and in place of Ram you have to write down I, and all the remaining words write down. Okay, the sentence will be Ram and I have been chosen to lead the team. Now 6 is which is the purpose of this plan. So in place of which you have to write down what. Okay, what is the purpose of this plan. Okay, you have to write down what in place of which. Now 7 is she and me are to blame for this mess. So here is in this sentence you have to write down in place of me as I. Okay, and the sentence will be she and I are to blame for this mess. So in place of me you have to write down I. That's clear. Okay, now next, the members of the jury was divided in its opinion. So you have to write down here in place of was you have to write down were. Okay, and the sentence will be the members of the jury were divided in its opinion. So you have to remove the word was, and in place of was you have to write down were, and the word is the correct word. Okay, so next is 9, between you and I there is no truth in this. Okay, so I is subjective word, so you have to write down I and you. I and you. Okay, I and you. That's clear. And in the 10th you have to write down one must be careful about what he says. So he says in place of he says, so you have to write down one says. Okay, and the exercise number 10 is Okay, now look the exercise number D. Join these sets of the sentences with the relative pronoun. One is done for you. You can see here is the given example. Let us visit the old market. It was set up by the British. And the sentence will be, let us visit the old market that. Okay, in place of full stop you have to use that with the join the sentence, and that was set up by the British. And so as you have to also do all the exercises. So let's start now. Second is, the tiger was pursuing a buck dash the buck was injured. So you have to write down here, the tiger was pursuing the buck, and remove the full stop and the word the. Okay. Okay, so in place of the buck and full stop you have to write down which. Okay, which, and the sentence will be, the tiger was pursuing a buck which was injured. Okay, remove the word the buck. That's clear. Now third is, bring me the purse dash it is on the bed. So you have to write down, bring me the purse, and after the purse you have to write down that, THAT. Okay, that is on the table, that is on the bed. Okay, so now next, it means option number 4. This is the prize he won it for his essay. So you have to write down first, this is the prize, and after the prize you have to write down which. Okay, and after the which you have to write down won it essay, won it for his essay. That's clear. And in the fifth, this is the man full stop, we were saved by his presence of mind. So you have to write down in the fifth option, first you write this is the man, and after the man you have to write down the relative word who. Okay, who were who were saved by his presence of mind. So you have to drop the word we. Now option number 6, unfortunately. Okay, unfortunately I missed the bus, and after the bus first you write down unfortunately I missed the bus, and after the bus you have to write down which relative pronouns word, and after the which you have to write down was to take me to Kochi. So you have to drop it and full stop also. Okay, and the seventh option is, here is the surgeon full stop, he will operate on my friend tomorrow. So first you write down here is the surgeon, and after the surgeon you have to write down who. Okay, you have to write down who, who, and after the who you have to write down will operate on my friend tomorrow, and drop out he and full stop. That's clear. And now the option number 8, the girl arrived late. The girl arrived late, and after the late you have to write down who. Okay, after the late you have to write down who is a relative pronoun, and after the who you have to write down was scolded by her teacher, and drop out full stop and he. That's clear. I hope you all understand about this. Now look the exercise number E. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the appropriate distributive or relative pronouns. So you have to read first all the sentences and wherever necessary to fill up the distributive, then fill the distributive pronoun, and if the need of the relative, then you have to fill relative pronoun. Okay, so let's start. I dash of girls was given a certificate. So you have to write down many of. Okay, uh, 1 minute. Many MANY. Okay, many of the girls was given a certificate. So sentence will be complete. Now second is, this is the best film dash he never made. So you have to write down, this is the best film that he never made. So you have to fill in the second blanks that's clear. Now the third option, this is the man, this is the man dash has 3 sons in the army. So you have to write down in the blanks a word who, it is the relative noun. This is the man who has 3 sons in the army. The fourth option, the crowd dash had gathered near the market grew resting. Okay, in the fourth you have to feel uh, the crowd mostly had gathered near the market. Okay, so in the fifth option you have to feel they dash are gifted do well in life. So in the fifth option you have to feel uh, they who they you have to feel whom. Okay, whom are gifted do well in life. Okay, you have to write down whom. And six is the boy dash was elected captain of the team has resigned. So you have to feel the boy who was. Okay, who you have to write down here who at who was elected captain of the team has resigned. Now seventh option is dash of you may answer the question asked by me. So you have to write down most of you, most. Okay, most of you may answer the question asked by me. Now eighth option, the tornado dash struck the town destroyed several houses. So you have to write down the tornado that struck the town destroyed several houses. That's clear. Now look option number 9. I hate people dash throw stones at dogs. So you have to write down here I hate people who throw stone at dogs. Now option number 10, these are the boys dash were called to his office. So you have to write down these are the boys whom were called to his office. That's clear. Now 11th is that good dash men do lives after them. So in the 11 you have to fill the noun word the good that men do lives after them. Okay, and 12 is the answer dash I gave is incorrect. So you have to write down the answer which I gave is incorrect. Okay, and 13 is dash of the programs may be chosen. So you have to write down many of the programs may be chosen. So you have to fill many. And in the 14 it is the last option, and in the last option you have to fill the word this is the teacher about whom we were speaking. That's clear. So I hope you all can feel your book exercise and everyone understand it. So thank you for the watching. We meet in the next video.